If there was one tool I would bring with me all the time when off-roading, it would be this. This is the rolling Mavericks toolkit. I think it's called a Try something. Not sponsored, I just like their tools. And the only thing I changed was put some orange tape on it. So if you lose it on the ground, you can find it again for the big sockets. And this is everything it is. Get whatever you need, get it out, like this bit for the rear wheel of my BMW. And that's it. And then you have a nice tool. It's a 1/4 inch, I think. And if you want to use a socket, get that top off and you have your socket. That's it. Very handy. It's nice and compact. And I would never leave without this tool because it's so handy. Nice. It comes in with a nice holder. Put it in. And that's it. Easy peasy.